How to change FPS in Honor of Kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change the FPS. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. Now we're in the settings interface. Here on the left hand side, on the second option, simply tap on graphics. So this is the place where you can customize different graphics settings. Now on the first option, there's FPS. So you can select the FPS accordingly. So make sure that you have a high-end mobile in order to keep it max or ultra. But if you have a low-end mobile and it's not that compatible, it's better you keep it to standard because it will maintain the gameplay without any lag. So you can select the one and simply go back and it's all done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.